If you want to perform a backup on the Samsung Galaxy A27, then first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in the Settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and we need to go to Accounts and Backup. Once you go over here, we have a couple of different backup options. For example, you can use Samsung Cloud to backup data. Over here we can choose this backup data option to use the Samsung Cloud. You can also choose what should be backed up, so then you can decide and tap on Backup Now. You can also use Google Drive, so if you have a Google account on your phone, you can go to backup data over here, and then you can back up your photos and videos, as well as other device data, all of which is listed over here. And of course, we can also use external device. If you have, let's say, USB flash drive, you can use it to transfer everything to that flash drive by choosing the external storage transfer. So we can go over here, and you should be able to back up using your flash drive, your memory card, or just anything else. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.